Nalulula. Ayun na yun.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Fassi, and today, as you can probably tell, I am in Barcelona, Spain. We just went on these cabin things and they took us all the way up to this castle. We're now on this bridge. It's very nice.
Hello, you can see the port of the south coast of Barcelona. Do you want to come up here?
Ooh.
I think this is a shortcut. Here the proper stairs are here.
Here's the actual path. There's a shortcut. So, we just walked around. We made like a big circle around the whole castle.
It's called Castle Montage.
And we are now on the way back. But Mom was a bit disappointed because it's only 5 minutes.
Amazing. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes.
Hey guys, it's me editing, and I realized that I wasn't filming when this actually happened, but basically the cabin just it literally just stopped, but it stopped so quickly that it was like shaking.
Why did it stop?
You can see more, you have to be happy.
We're now going down this path. It's quite steep, to be honest. Especially after one sangria. Look at how nice this is, and there's actually a lot of palm trees where we are. We were going to find this like landmark thing, but I'm pretty sure this is not the right way, but we found this really nice looking street, so we're just gonna go this way anyway. Found something else. Look at that. Look at these. They're like other cabins. Now we're going along this bridge. We just found a little market here, and we went by and we got some, these are like roasted nuts, and this is coconut.
And of course,
another sangria. Is it good? Do you like it?
I love it.
A few moments later.
Barcelona. Barcelona.
Amazing. So, day number 2. We are at the beach. The waves are literally so big. I'm gonna go dip my feet in the water and ooh, it's freezing. We're walking up the mountain because we booked these cabins, and we're literally underneath the ones that we were on yesterday, but these ones are higher. Are you excited?
Yes, very excited. I'm very tired.
And they should be somewhere here, shouldn't they? Yeah. So we come to the place and we just can't find it. We used maps to come here, and there is literally nothing here. So we are texting someone for help. There's a rat. It's definitely not here. Continuing our adventure. So I think we're actually finally on the right track. Hopefully. We have a map, and we're going down the mountain now. We found a cat, and it looks exactly like Molly. Okay, we can finally see the top. There it is. We are finally here.
Yeah.
Good job. We did 10,000 steps trying to find this. Guys, you can see the cables there. You can see the cables that go over there, and then they go somewhere else. Look at how many people. I think we're going to be on the next one.
Okay, here we come. It's okay.
Did you like it? What would you rate the experience out of 10?
8 out of 10.
Why 8?
Because it's good. It's a bit scary. I recommend it. Sí, la
restaurant drinking sangria, and this is patatas bravas, which are really good, then salad, then paella, which we are going to try, and it looks really good. Are you enjoying?
I'm loving it.
Looks like it's about to rain though. Day number 3, and we are looking around this house.
It's a barrio.
Oh, we're at the top now, and this is... Actually, there's more, isn't there?
Imagine this. You can take a picture of them.
No, this is the top. This is the roof. And this is where it ends. There we are.
How do we get in here?
More stairs. Where are we? We're now at Sagrada de Familia. Look, it's beautiful. We're looking at pistachio chocolates. Buying chocolate.
It's a video. It's a nice chocolate shop.
Day number 4 and our holiday has ended. The thing is, we're having some problems at the gate. We didn't realize there was a passport control thing before the gate, and now there's a long line. It's not very long, but it's moving very slowly. And our plane leaves in like how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, and we are still waiting. So, and Mum is very stressed, so she doesn't want to speak.
A few moments later.
Run.
Oh, we're landing soon. A bit of turbulence because of course it's cold in England, and of course it's windy. So I reunited with my best friend, even though it's nearly 10 o'clock.
She literally just landed and I was like, okay, I'm coming to see you.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, obviously.
So how was Barcelona?
It was very good. I tried to film as much as I could.
I'll be seeing the content. You know?
You will.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
So
And
if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below where would you like to go for your dream holiday. And obviously if you have any other video recommendations for us to do,
you can tell us as well.
yeah. So that's it from us today, and we'll see you next time. Bye!